Hi guys, this is Alex from BlackboxMyCar, and today we're introducing you to the new Thinkware X700, the newest upgrade from Thinkware's X550. The new cosmetic design featuring an LCD monitor that's touchscreen with no physical buttons on the back. The X700 dashcam combines innovative camera technology with advanced driver assistance software so you can drive safer while recording your daily commutes in Full HD 1080p. Its 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen allows you to be visually notified of driver assistance safety alerts, adjust settings, and playback videos on the spot. Let's find out what you're getting when you purchase the Thinkware X700. The X700 has a high-quality image processor, captures crystal clear video in 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second. The X700 comes with a 140-degree viewing angle to provide the best coverage of the road. A quick guide with step-by-step instructions with visuals to help you set up your dashcam. The 12-volt power cable will supply power to your dashcam through the cigarette outlet within your vehicle. An optional hardwire kit is available, and we strongly recommend hardwire method as X700 offers a true parking mode by motion detection mode. This will allow you to mount your dashcam to your windshield. We recommend holding the mount to the windshield for 10 seconds to ensure a proper connection. Cable clips are to help hide the cables within your vehicle's trim. This will ensure a clean and organized finished look. The micro SD card that comes with your dashcam is the media card the footage captured from your dashcam will be stored on. Use the micro SD card reader to help offload the videos onto your computer or other devices. Let's take a look at the Full HD 1080p footage the Thinkware X700 has to offer. As always, thank you for watching and making BlackboxMyCar the #1 dashcam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, please contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com. Everything mentioned in this video can be found in the description below.